1 1/8 inches. Score the can all the way around. 1 7/8. Remove the cap. Score the can. Cut in a little bit on the bottom score line. Cut in a bit on the top score line. Start pressing the can in underneath and above the cuts. Should come right off around the score line. If you scored the can well enough with the scalpel or razor, the cuts should be nice and clean. Get rid of this piece. Sand the edges. Hammer inside of bottom down. No wobble. Tweak edges with pliers. After crimping the edges, you may need to do a little more. It depends. Full Monster Energy drink can. Take the top of the can that you cut off, weasel it onto the bottom. Flare out the edges of the top can a little bit. Try not to rip it. Okay, so I forgot to mention, also sand down the bottom can. Put top half over bottom half. Tap in the bottom all the way with a hammer until it is flush with the upper lip, this black lip here on the inside. Use your thumbnail to press the indentions, the crimps you made, back flush with the can. Using the hammer, roll that edge all the way around. Nice and tight little stove. Sand the inside of the cap. Sand this part where the cap goes on. The sanding helps the cap to be tighter. Pretty loose now. If you sand it, it'll make it tighter. After it's been sanded, it's on there pretty good. Alright, this is Derek, back in a little bit with part 2.